Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about CH sound. The sound is ch, ch, ch. This is the sound of CH. So let's begin. First, the story. Some children are on a school trip. They are going to ride on an old steam train. They climb into the carriage and the train moves off. The train starts chugging. Ch, ch, ch. It gets faster and faster until steam comes out of the funnel and the whistle blows. Ch, ch. So now the action. The children pretend to be steam train, moving their arms like pistons, saying ch, ch, ch. So this is the action. Now the sound. Now let us see some formation. As you all can see the formation over here. This way we have to write CH. Now let's do some blending.
Chest. Chest.
So these are the blendings. So now it's the song time. Let's listen the song.
Trains are chugging up the hill. Trains are chugging up the hill.
So children, this was the song and the sound of CH, that is ch, ch. So with this we come to the end of the chapter. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you. Be safe and be at home.